Okay, dobrodošli, welcome to our Royal Bear's Dream Print. This is a YouTube film. I've written in the past, from 2007 till 2008, a story which was given to me via a dream, a so-called dream print. There, from that point of view, I wrote down the words on paper, and the story is titled The Lost Sound of the Non-Written Word. I have also written to presidents, parliaments, governments, world leaders. I have written to them all, asking gently, quite patiently, to grant me that chance to invite me to them, so I can tell the story which has been given to me freely, just like our home was given to us free. We didn't have to pay for it. The native people from all around the world were thinking about sharing this place, not competition, no, to do something, to share, to benefit for the others. Now we've heard, okay, you have implanted some ideas, Mr. Van Rompuy and Mr. Barroso and the gang of four, as you call them. And I challenge you, I have a great idea. You present your master plan, and you let me present my plan. And then we let the people of the world, we let decide who's got the best plan. That, I think, you call democracy. What is left over from that democracy in our so-called Western free world? If you talk about education, why not travel to Russia, where you have the Moscow State University of Civil Engineering? You can learn something from that. But once again, I'm not telling you what to do. It's not my words, they have been given to me. I've only asked, I tell you, what you do with the solution is your own responsibility. Whether you believe in a God or not, that doesn't matter. This world was given to us freely. And that's it. There I'll leave it. So, come up. If you got balls and brains, European Parliament, come on, try me.